everyone, this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED strip light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. After testing, we start to steel 3M tape. 3M tape is very critical component for installation. The strip will fall off easily if the quality is poor. Most of our customers prefer brown 300 LSE. We also call 300 MP 3M tape for our regular LED strip. But we provide different solutions, double-side tape according to the different scenarios of LED strip, such as 200 MP, 300 MP, 3M 9080, 3M VHB, Tesa 4965, blue thermal tape attachment for your detail reference. Okay, so much for 3M tape. Let's go for the next steps. See you.